Is your computer slow? Does it freeze when opening multiple apps? Maybe games lag or videos stutter? Most people think the processor is the problem, but often the real issue is RAM, your computer's short-term memory. In this video, we'll explain what RAM is, how it works, and how much you really need. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is your computer's short-term memory. Whenever you open a program, your computer loads the necessary data into RAM so the processor can access it instantly. Without RAM, your system wouldn't run smoothly. Imagine your computer as an office. Your storage drive is like a filing cabinet, and RAM is your desk. When you need files, you move them from the cabinet to your desk. The bigger the desk, the more work you can handle at once. That's exactly what RAM does for your computer. The CPU, your computer's brain, communicates constantly with RAM. When you open an app, data moves from storage into RAM, allowing the CPU to process it instantly. RAM is much faster than storage, which keeps your system responsive and smooth. If you don't have enough RAM, your system uses storage as temporary memory. But storage is slower than RAM, causing lag, freezes, or slow app performance. Adding more RAM can significantly reduce these issues, improving multitasking and speed. There are different types of RAM. DDR3 is older, DDR4 is very common today, DDR5 is the newest and fastest. Each generation improves speed and efficiency. Most modern PCs now use DDR4 or DDR5 for optimal performance. How much RAM do you actually need? 4 GB is only for basic tasks. 8 GB is good for browsing and office work. 16 GB is ideal for gaming or multitasking. 32 GB or more is best for video editing, 3D design, and heavy software. Choose based on your needs. For gaming, RAM is crucial. Modern games load large textures, maps, and background processes. If RAM is insufficient, games stutter or take longer to load. 16 GB or more is recommended for smooth gameplay. More RAM equals faster, smoother gaming experience. Upgrading RAM is one of the easiest ways to improve your computer's performance. It's usually affordable and simple to install, especially on desktops. If your PC feels slow but the CPU is fine, adding more RAM can make it feel almost new again. Now you understand RAM and why it's important. It acts as your computer's workspace. More space means better performance. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more simple tech explanations. Thanks for watching.